Now we are recording this moment in the class where we're going to calculate the percentage of the survey, of the results, okay? So here, let me take you, one second. On title, we have results of the survey. We did it just now. I have my results here. Have me patient, Linda, one moment. Question. Here. So, how many students we are in the class again? Somebody can tell me because I'm not seeing. 24?
22.
Gracias, 22. So, but when we started, we were 24, right? When we answered this, right? 24 we were. Right, Eric, or no? No?
Yes, when, yeah, 24, but now 23. Yeah, just
Yes.
one.
I'm gonna keep the value when we exactly did I'm gonna keep the 24 because that's the when we did it. So in 24 of my population, I perform a survey via Google Form, electronic survey, self-administrative survey by a sample using convenience quantitative study, and I asked to the students in Reformed University how they like classes. 14 students out of 24 answered me. What that means? That if I pay attention to the calculation, okay? 24 students in total, just 14 answered. I'm going to take the 14, the small number, 14 divide in between 24, which is the population. And I got 0.58 that answer the result I got, okay? So I divide again the small number between the big number. I divide 14. I'm going to put it on the chat if I can do that. I'm going to divide 14 divide in the 24, which is the amount of the student. And this number, the result is 0.58 in my calculator. Okay? 14 is the students that answer. I'm going to take care of that, people of the chat right now. The students that answer. Pay attention because this is knowledge for your life. This is not for class. This is for your life, which is more important. So 14 is the student that answered, and 24 is the total of the population that I wanted to reach. Okay? But just 14 I got on this quantitative survey. What that means? That the percentage of the students that answered was 0.58. But this is not my result. I have to multiply this per 100. So it can give me a real percentage that is understandable, right? Multiply by 100 is gonna be 58%. 58%. 58%, 0.23. 58%, 23% of the student answer me. People, is okay in the chat? It's okay.
Yes, I got it.
It's helping you a little bit because in your real life, you will need to calculate percentage, the percentage of anything that you can imagine. So this is something you can use in your life. Good.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. So if I, for example, put a goal to myself that I need to sell $10,000 monthly, and I sell, let's say I sell 8,000. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna divide this 8,000 between the 10,000, which is the biggest number, and this is gonna be 0.8. And if I multiply this for 100, it's gonna be 80. So I reached 80% of the goal I wanted. 80% of the goal that I put to myself every month. I'm not reaching the goal yet. I'm reaching 80% of the goal I have for sales every single month. So the recommendation will be, of course, develop new strategies to get to that goal. This is an example, okay? Of course, it's so easy because it's 10,000 A, so it's logical. You will say, yeah, logical, but sometimes you won't have amounts that are logical and easy to think, so you will need the calculator. That's why we are doing this, okay? So, almost done, but you see that your system it give you the percentage. So we don't need to get into this actually. We did it because we knew how many people I was trying to reach, and I got 14 response. And if we do this manually again, like we did it before, you see the results were the same. 93 of the students prefer Google Meeting. This is the analysis by. The recommendation, what will be? You know the recommendation. And I know you will be so happy if the recommendation is keep Google Meeting forever. Or for the 7% that say vote, maybe some options so they can, have interaction in person. Sometime when you this is me, making here that. But anyway, this is the exercise I hope help you for your life, which is more important for me than everything. And then let me stop I'm going to stop the recording because stop recording.